Today we are playing Riders. This is the one of the best games on Roblox. So yeah, let's go. Elimination. Another elimination. Another elimination. This is how you get good at aim. Just use it. Just use beginner weapons. Elimination. Assist. Okay. Elimination. Okay. We lost. But it's not bad. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. There's no way we lose this challenge. There's no way we lose this challenge. Okay, let's go. Elimination. Another elimination. Another elimination. No, we lost. But it doesn't matter. Okay, let's go. Gonna win this one, surely. Wait. Not now. It's too late. Elimination. Oh, now I'm gonna put on my aim. Now I can aim better. Elimination. Oh, not that. It's not elimination. Elimination. I didn't get it. Elimination. This game is so good. I'm the best at this game. And nobody tell me what. So I'm the best at this game. Not elimination. Wait. If this another one is gonna be elimination, you have to subscribe. Oh, okay. This next one you have to subscribe. If I eliminate, no. But that's not all, because I have another game to play. Okay. Let's go hop in this new server. Okay. Cookie. Break There's no way he gets me. Oh, smack me. Oh, nah. No snipe. Okay. No snipe. No sniper. Okay. Yeah. Just be cool, okay? Okay, be cool. I'm gonna get him now. I'm gonna get him.